In a sunlit city rooftop, Eco mentors a curious crowd as they transform a bare planter into a tiny urban rainforest. With Pixar charm, Eco explains native plants, pollinators, and the magic of layered soil, while a gentle drizzle of water mist fills the air. The playful quest reveals clever water-wise techniques that cut runoff and invite birds, bees, and butterflies to linger. Neighbors cheer as solar pumps hum softly, and upcycled containers bloom into a vibrant, shade-giving canopy. Eco leaves knowing this microforest will grow into a community habit that savors nature amid skyscrapers.